Well, good everybody and welcome to the channel. Just a short video today. I suppose you could call it things I wish I knew before I started. I've managed to source some old skateboards, broken skateboards from a local shop. I've got a few here, some broken pieces here. And as you can see, if I bring you a bit closer, I've cut the I don't know what you call them, the tails and the noses off most of the boards. And to get to the part I wish I knew before I started, I wish I knew that this grip tape here would blunt the saw blade. So the thing I wish I knew before I started using skateboards was how abrasive and hard the grip tape is. Now I tried to cut a few corners by cutting the boards before taking the grip tape off, and that was a serious blunder on my part, because basically it blunted my saw blade, which I had to replace at some expense. So, tip for young players: if you're going to use skateboards in woodwork projects, take the grip tape off before you start cutting. Anyway, that's it for now. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.